This is about the entire liquor gate. And when you come to Delhi, you realize that this is an amalgamation of so many critical issues. And this is the reason why the Aam Aadmi Party people are saying possibly could be on the back foot. Because look at what the court says. Ladies and gentlemen, the High Court saying, observing that corruption originated from Sisodia's desire to create the liquor policy, the High Court said that the Aam Aadmi Party leader sought to manipulate the policy formulation. He deviated from expert committee report that was constituted by him. Not just this, it also says the case depicted a grave misuse of power and breach of trust by Manish Sisodia. The High Court has added that the material collected in the matter showed that Sisodia subverted the process. And listen to this very carefully. The High Court is saying this, not any political party. The court says that the material collected in the matter shows that Sisodia subverted the process of making the excise policy by fabricating public feedbacks to suit his goal. This is the Delhi High Court on the Manish Sisodia case. I quickly want to see if we can cut across to Rame, and then our panel of guests will also respond to this. Rame, this is a clear indictment coming in of Manish Sisodia, why he has not got any bail. Now, when the Arvind Kejriwal government, when the Congress also says that the ED, CBI are being used right now to target opposition netas, does this even stand anymore, Rame?
Absolutely not. So now the Delhi High Court stated today that there is a great betrayal of democratic principle. Delhi High Court today dismissed the Manish Sisodia's second regular bail application. Now this is the second time where the Delhi High Court has dismissed the regular bail application of Manish Sisodia. Delhi High Court stated that we have enough material has been put forth us on which we can evaluate that if Sisodia is let out on bail, he will tamper. There are high chances of tampering with the witnesses, with the evidences out there. He had a very influential post in the Aam Aadmi Party, in the Delhi government, held many portfolios, and many of the witnesses in this case are government servants. Now, if Manish Sisodia is let out on bail, there are very good chances of tampering and hampering. So now this has been accepted. Now, moreover, the Delhi High Court further went and stated that prima facie cases made against Manish Sisodia of money laundering. So on the facts, on the submissions, on the material put forth before the Delhi High Court has observed that there is enough material, and there is a prima facie observation again made today by the Delhi High Court that Manish Sisodia is involved in this money laundering
Rame, the biggest headline is that there is no relief for Manish Sisodia. The legal trouble for him is only compounding. The AAP continues to remain on a sticky wicket. Thank you so much, only for one of time, but you.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.